Yo. Welcome. Today's super sick because I'm announcing a remix competition. My first remix competition. It's going to be one of my old beats that you're going to hear right now. I also remixed it myself, so you guys can hear a little sample. And I will be giving that full project away in my Patreon. So you guys can get that, get all these dope sounds. Let's check it out. We're in B minor. This guitar loop is the main thing here. So I'm really looking for people to remix this into like some EDM, something high energy, something that'll make me dance, like what I'm about to show you here. This remix competition is going on right now, and the deadline is the 28th. So make sure that you submit your track in the Discord before then. On the 29th, that Sunday, we will be doing a Twitch stream so that you can actually see all the submissions. The community will vote for the best submissions, and we'll see who wins. We'll break down that video, we'll upload it to YouTube, and we'll make sure that you get down. There will be a link in the description, so make sure you get that below. You can go ahead and get subscribed and make sure that you submit your fire. Got to make sure it is heat. Now we're going to check out my remix that I made today of this song. It turned out pretty cool. I hope you guys like it. Check it.
Dimension. Dimension.
Woo! Yeah. So that's what I got. Let me see what you guys got. If you want this full project, get it in my Patreon. That's in the description. You guys enjoy it. You guys are awesome. Let me see what heat you submit. Have a good night, guys. Peace out. Stay fresh. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Outer space.